Tecno Spark 30 Pro versus the Galaxy S21 Ultra, startup and apps test. So dun sa startup na una si Tecno, and here we are in the Facebook test. So nauna mag-open si S21 Ultra. Exynos 2100 on the Samsung, and Helio G100 on the Tecno. Scrolling has some similarities, parehas may micro lag, pero mas mabilis si S21 Ultra. Opening up Instagram na una si Tecno, close second si S21. Scrolling again similar between both, mas mabilis ng konti si S21. Going to TikTok, 12 gigs of RAM on the Samsung and 8 on the Tecno. Here, surprising na nauna ng konti si Tecno. Scrolling again has some similarities between both. May konti pa ring delay but still pretty good for day-to-day. Personal copy ko nga pala si S21 Ultra. It is well used. Opening up YouTube. Here's a YouTube test na una si Tecno. And we have some benchmarks. Maganda yung benchmarks ni S21 Ultra by around 15 to 20%. And now opening up a website. We're opening up Apple website. And here nauna ulit si Tecno. Close battle here pero still nanalo si Tecno in most tests.